Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again. In today's tutorial, we have an alternate method of tying the classic diamond knot. Is this method more useful than the one we already know? Perhaps, but that's up to you to decide. So that being said, let's get into the tutorial. So we've got our piece of paracord, got the midpoint, and we're going to take that midpoint and drape it over our hand like so, with half in the front and half in the back. We're going to take the strand behind, bring it to the front and over top that second strand and wrap it around your thumb like so, clockwise. And from there, you're going to take the strand that's on your palm and put that one behind your thumb. And now with these strands sitting lower on your thumb, you're going to bring that one over top the one above. And now with the strand that is closer to your body, you're going to bring that to the right side. And now you're going to go over that first strand, under the middle one, and over the last one, like so. So it's just passing through that little gap that your thumb created. Now we have our carex bend. And now from here, with the strand on the right side, you're going to bring it around. And don't forget to go past the upper strand. You're going to go past and up through the middle of that diamond in the middle. And with the other strand, again, bring that counterclockwise, go past that strand on the bottom and go from the back to the front through the middle. And there we have it. There is our diamond knot. So it really is just an alternate way of tying that carex bend. And I don't know, I thought this one was rather interesting. Is it better than the other method? I would actually say probably not, because this method requires a bit more paracord to tie, whereas the previous method that I've taught you guys, you can tie it with very small amounts of your kind of lead cords. But anyway, just a video that might interest you. I thought it was pretty interesting considering how big of a paracord nerd I am. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and plenty more to come, and hope you found this one interesting. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.